Hello everyone. In this video on rational numbers, we will learn how to compare rational numbers. We'll use three rules. Let me first write those rules here. So while comparing a positive and a negative rational number, positive rational number is always greater. Now this is the easiest of the rules. We know when we compare any two numbers and if one is positive and one is negative, positive numbers are on the right hand side, negative are on the left hand side, and we know that right hand side numbers are greater. So if I want to compare, let's say minus 2 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. I know this is negative rational number, this is positive rational number. Positive rational number is always greater. If I want to compare 2 upon minus 3 and minus 2 upon minus 3. Now again I know minus 2 upon minus 3 is actually a positive rational number because I can cancel out the signs here. So this is a positive rational number, whereas 2 upon minus 3 is a negative rational number, and hence positive rational number is always greater. So very easy rule. Rule 2. While comparing two positive rational numbers, use the 4 rules of comparing fractions. So you remember rules of comparing fraction. Let's say I have to compare 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 3. Here the denominators are same. In that case, greater the numerator, greater is the fraction. If I got to compare 2 upon 3 and 2 upon 5. Now here numerators are equal. If numerators are equal, smaller the denominator, greater is the fraction. And hence in this case, 2 upon 3 is a greater rational number. If we want to compare 9 upon 5 with 2 upon 3. Now we know 9 upon 5 is an improper fraction. 2 upon 3 is a proper fraction. Improper fraction is always greater than proper fraction. So 9 upon 5 is greater. And now if we don't have any of these rules, so if I have a fraction 2 upon 3 compared with 3 upon 4. Now here I don't have same numerator, I don't have same denominator. Both the fractions are proper fractions, so I can't use any of these rules. In that case, what we do? We will multiply the numerator with the denominator. So numerator 2, if I multiply it with denominator of the second fraction, I get 8. And I'll write it on the side where this numerator 2 is there. Now here numerator 3, I'm multiplying with the denominator of the other fraction. 3 3s are 9, and I'm writing it in the same side as the numerator 3. Which is greater, 8 or 9? 9 is greater. And hence, in this case, fraction 3 upon 4 would be greater. So these were the 4 fraction comparison rules we used. We will use these rules to compare the rational numbers in case both the numbers are positive rational numbers. Rule 3. While comparing two negative rational numbers, compare them using rules of fraction as we spoke in earlier rule, but ignoring signs. So you have compare, but you have to first ignore the signs and then reverse the result. What does it mean? Let's see. So if I have minus 2 upon 3 and if I have, let's say, 2 upon minus 5. Now if you see here, I see both are negative rational numbers. So I'll first convert them into positive rational numbers or fractions, positive fractions. So it will be 2 upon 3 and 2 upon 5. Now between 2 upon 3 and 2 upon 5, I see the numerator is same. If the numerator is same, smaller the denominator, greater is the fraction. So my answer comes 2 upon 3 is greater than 2 upon 5. But we are saying then reverse the result. So here I have to reverse the result and I have write 2 minus 2 upon 3 rational number is smaller than 2 upon minus 5. So what I did, step 1, I forgot the signs and I wrote the fractions without the sign. So 2 upon 3, 2 upon 5. Use the fraction comparison rule. Numerators are same, hence smaller the denominator, greater is the fraction. So 2 upon 3 became the greater fraction. So I wrote that here. But in my rational numbers, I have to reverse the result. So this greater than sign here reversed, became less than sign. And minus 2 upon 3 is less than 2 upon minus 5. So what we are doing here is we are in fact combining the rules of integers and fractions together and using them for rational numbers.
I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comments section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.